This video provides some general information about how to fill out your income withholding for support order form. The information in this video is not a substitute for the legal advice of a lawyer. It's a good idea to have a lawyer review your completed form before filing it with the judge. The information in this video is specific to Texas, so if you're filing outside of Texas, please don't use this video. An income withholding for support order, IWO for short, is a court order. It orders an employer to withhold money for child support or spousal maintenance from an employee's paycheck. An IWO is always based on a separate order to an employee to pay support, usually as part of a divorce or custody and child support case. Texas law says that when a court orders child support, it must sign an IWO. This helps the person ordered to pay support make those payments on time. The court must sign an IWO even if the person ordered to pay support is unemployed or self-employed. The IWO will stay on file in the district clerk's office. If the person ordered to pay support begins working for an employer, ask the clerk's office to send the IWO to the employer. Federal law requires that one form, the IWO form, approved by the Office of Management and Budget, OMB, be used in all cases in which child support, cash medical support, or spousal maintenance is ordered withheld from an employee's paycheck. No other IWO can be used. You can recognize this form by this number at the bottom right-hand corner. As of May 2012, any IWO not on this form may be returned by an employer. To get the blank IWO form, go to texaslawhelp.org and search IWO. Click the link that says IWO Income Withholding for Support. Next, choose the link that says Click here for fillable version of the required IWO. If you would like a sample IWO form, search IWO and click on Income Withholding for Support Sample. The red numbers on the screen will correspond with the red numbers on this video. For printable written instructions on filling out this form, go to texaslawhelp.org and search IWO. Click on the link labeled Income Withholding for Support Order Instructions. There you will get some instructions you can print out to help you with this form. If you are filling out the IWO form online, you can watch this video at the same time in a small window on your computer screen. Print the form when you are done. This video is designed to be used as you fill out the income withholding order line by line, so feel free to stop and start this video as you fill out the form. This form has 3 pages that must all be filled out completely before the form can be filed. Step 1. Choose the box that describes your IWO. Check the original income withholding order or notice for support IWO box if this is the first IWO. Check the amended IWO box if this IWO changes a prior IWO. Check the one-time order or notice for lump sum payment box if the IWO is being sent for a one-time lump sum payment. Check the termination of IWO box if the IWO is being sent to an employer to stop withholding because the employee is no longer ordered to pay support. Step 2. Leave the date blank. The judge will fill in the date when he or she signs your IWO. Step 3. The box for court is checked. The IWO will be issued by the court after the judge signs it. Step 4. City, county, district, tribe. Type in the county of the court that ordered or will order support. Leave the space for private individual or entity blank. Leave the space for remittance identifier blank unless you know it. For order identifier, type in the court cause number that is at the top of your support order. For CSE agency case identifier, type in your Attorney General case number if that office has been involved in your case, or type in the State Disbursement Unit identification number if you already have a support account set up with the State Disbursement Unit. If neither applies, leave this section blank. Step 5. The employer or income withholder's information is pre-filled as any employer or income withholder of the employee named in this order. If you would rather fill in the specific name of the employer, simply delete the pre-filled information and type in the employer's name and address. Either way, bring the employer's name and address with you to court if you know it. Note: the employer's official address may be different than the employee's work site. Call the employer to find out where the IWO should be sent. The employer's FEIN is its 9-digit Federal Employer Identification Number. If possible, call the employer to get the employer's FEIN. Step 6. The employee/obligor is the person ordered to pay support. Type their name in the last, first, middle name format. It's important to include the employee's full Social Security number. The Attorney General's office can use the employee's full Social Security number to track where he or she is working. The custodial party/obligee is the person ordered to receive support. Also type their name in the last, first, middle name format. For Step 7, list the children for whom child support is ordered in the last, first, middle name format. If there are more than 6 children, list the additional children's names and birth dates on page 3 under Additional Information. Step 8. This section tells the employer how much money should be withheld each month from the employee's paycheck. If your IWO orders child support withheld, read your child support order to determine the monthly amount of child support ordered. Type that amount in the first blank. The following blanks are additional types of payments that may or may not have been ordered. Read your order to determine if past due child support has been ordered. Do the same to determine if current or past due cash medical support or spousal support has been ordered. Type in the monthly amount ordered, if any, for each type of support. In the last line, add up all monthly support ordered and type in the total amount order paid each month. If your IWO terminates or tells the employer to stop withholding, insert $0 for the total amount of support order paid each month. Step 9. The next 4 blanks must all be filled out. The reason being, sometimes people change employers and pay cycles change. The employer will withhold a portion of the monthly support amount for each paycheck, depending on how often the employee is paid. Calculate and insert the correct amount in each blank, regardless of the employee's actual pay schedule. For example, if the employee owes $500 a month, this is how you would calculate it. You would calculate the weekly amount by multiplying 500, our example number, by 12 months, then dividing by 52 weeks. You would calculate the biweekly amount by multiplying 500, our example number, by 12 months, then dividing by 26 weeks. And you would calculate the semi-monthly amount by dividing 500, our example number, by 2. If the IWO is being sent for a one-time lump sum payment, fill in the lump sum amount ordered. Note: additional IWOs must be issued to collect additional payments. Step 10. Leave this section blank. The court will fill it out. For Step 11, fill in the requested information. You may have some of it from earlier in this form. First, the employer's name, then the employer FEIN number from Step 5, then the employee's name, then the CSE agency case identifier, which is the Attorney General case number found in Step 4, and the order identifier, which is the case number from your county, also found in Step 4. Step 12. The correct contact information depends on who is managing or will manage your support account. If you already have a support account, write in the contact information for the office that manages your account. If you don't already have a support account, contact your local district clerk's office. Ask for the name of the office that administers child support and/or spousal support or maintenance accounts in your county. Contact that office to get the correct information. If you don't already have a support account and your case was filed in Travis County, the correct contact information is filled out on this form in this video. This is a very important form that needs to be filled out correctly. If you have any questions about the information in this video, please speak with the lawyer. You can also get more information, but not advice, at the Texas Law Help chat feature. Go to www.texaslawhelp.org and click on the box to the right that says, Need help finding information. To get a referral to a lawyer or to a free legal aid program, call the State Bar of Texas Lawyer Referral Information Service at 800-252-9690. Call 1-800-374-4673 for legal help if you are a victim of family violence. When you're done, print your IWO. Print on one side only, not front and back. If possible, ask a lawyer to review your IWO. Take your completed IWO form to the judge who signed or will sign your child support order or spousal maintenance order. Ask the judge to sign your IWO form. Take the IWO signed by the judge to the district clerk's office. Ask the district clerk's office to send the IWO to the employer of the person ordered to pay support. If the person ordered to pay support changes jobs, you must have the IWO sent to his or her new employer. If the support amount ordered withheld changes, you must ask the judge to sign an amended IWO and have the amended IWO sent to the employer.